He saw the Goliath and... Oh, that's him. What's going on? We are going for an inlet adventure today. We got a couple buckets full of bait. We got Dave, the bait pusher man today. Pelicans are over here. Looks nice out. Looks kind of snooky. Looks kind of redfishy. We're gonna go see what we can find. No, that's a jack. The right one. Yeah, little jack. Jackfish. No, jackfish, jackfish. Jack for Denny. Look at that osprey, or not osprey, frigate birds. I know, I'm calling it osprey. Coming right over here, right at us.
Throw him up, Bert. Throw him some.
They'll catch it in the air. Throw him one. He'll catch it in the air. Look at that frigate bird. Dave's gonna feed him. What? That's what I want to do. I think he'll catch it. Yeah. Alright, here he is. There he goes. Those frigates are so freaking cool. There we go. Alright, we got us a good one now. Stay hooked up on them. Over some rods. Got something solid. Oh, please. Rocks. Nice snook. Get him over this way on the other side of the piling. No, come on. No, come on, get back around. Got him on the wrong side, just gotta hold him there until he swims back around. Oh, come on, buddy. There we go, there we go. There we go. Alright, now I'm probably frayed, so we gotta go real easy with him. Alright, Trent, we'll take him right here. Right here. Thanks, buddy. I'll come down this way a little. Up, 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 up. There he is. A little bit big. I'll get you this. You got it? Okay, yeah. He grew a little. I'll take that. So, a little big, but nice snooky. He dumped it. Look, right in the corner.
come with you if you don't mind. Thank you, sir.
I think I'm under you, right? Right out there. Oh, let me come back by you guys. Bigger fish I thought it was. Well, there's that fish. Had a little camera malfunction, but you guys missed all the fun. But there we go. We got him about 34 inches now. He saw the Goliath and said, "No." Dude, I thought he came off.
He's coming down. That's a big fish. What you got? A whale?
We got a baby whale.
Baby whale?
You want to take it?
You catch them all winter out here on the mall.
Baby whale.
Your winter bite's 20 on them.
The redfish.
Right here. Help me, help me. In the Boston. Help me. It's a keeper red.
If he was about 4 inches smaller.
Thank you.
Oh, he's a keeper. Is that why you put in your pocket?
He's got cool spots.
There's a pocket. How do you say keeper? A keeper.
He's got cool spots on him.
A keeper from Boston. Put him in the cooler.
Put him in your pocket.
He's going to be
That's a
dinner
pocket
tonight.
trade.
There you go. He's got a normal spot on that side. Like 28, 28 and a half.
I call it Juanito. And then my name is Wilfredo.
There you go. He's strong. He's a strong one. Come on, Dave, double up. That hook set is just like the best part. Oh. Alright guys, real quick, go over the gear. Tsunami SaltX 4000. Fully sealed reel, 350 bucks or so. Way better than spending 500 or something like that. Right, Dave?
I'm not saying.
You're not at liberty to discuss that? No. Going around. He's coming up, he's coming up. Oh god, right on that rock, right on that rock. That's a keeper fish. Hey, I don't want to be landing it, so let's walk it down.
Yeah, you could go.
We're gonna walk him down. You're good. Oh, sorry, sir. Land it. That's all right, we'll bring them both in. There we go. We got both of them. We reeled you in. There you go. Beautiful fishy.